When you squeeze out a pump of shampoo, there's a 90% chance that you re-holding its masterpiece. AES sodium fatty alcohol, polyoxyethylene, ether sulfate. The invisible juggernaut that ruled the global daily chemical industry for 40 years. From $3 detergent to $300 body wash. It's not far from its magic. Today we will reveal. This let Procter & Gamble, El Rio grab the head of the ingredients. In the end, on what basis to become daily chemical industry Coca-Cola. 3 harsh truths. 80% of the cleaning products in your home contain China's annual production of AES is enough for each person in the world to use 1 gram per day. Without it, the entire daily chemical industry chain will collapse. Costs only $3 per kilograms, but creates a premium of $300 bottle. Consumers' obsession with lather is taken hard by AES. Its lather is 10 times denser than soap-based and lasts 5 minutes longer than amino acid table life. Even though scientists have long since proven that lather has nothing to do with cleansing power, it can be produced with cheap palm oil and costs only 1/3 of the competing SLES. This is the real reason why the big brands are dead set on AES. Irritate your skin if you use it alone. That's okay. AES works perfectly with other ingredients. 1. Adding amphoteric epitaxial activity to reduce irritation. 2. Thickening with salt to disguise the high-end texture. 3. Adjust pH value to create the illusion of mildness. All brands won't tell you. 1. Inferior AES may contain the carcinogen diazane. 2. But the big brands control the residue to less than 0.1 ppm through the molecular distillation process. This is the essential difference between supermarket open, shelf goods, and counter items. As environmental regulations tighten, AES is being challenged by new ingredients, such as APG, but the industry has been laying the groundwork for a long time. Development of narrow distribution. AES for performance enhancement. Production from renewable carbon sources. And compounding with enzymes. To reduce the amount of usage, this trillion-dollar daily chemical war is far from over. Next time you rub your head full of foam, remember, this is the result of decades of gaming by chemical giants.